Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G200 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one is using a secret code, so it is the fastest way to do that, and the second is using the settings. Of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with opening the dialer, tapping on the keypad because this is the place where we'll enter the code, and the code is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK, and let me show you another way to check those numbers if for some reason the secret code won't work on your device. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now after scrolling down a little bit, you can check that here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. And in order to check the serial number, we have to enter the model. And on the second position, we've got the serial number of this device. So actually, this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Motorola Moto G200. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.